Two Black Swan events have sent shockwaves through the Bitcoin market. First, the government sold billions worth of Bitcoin. And then Donald Trump survived an assassination attempt, causing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to surge. With the first planned rate cuts by the Fed and the Ethereum ETF just around the corner, what does this all mean? And how will it impact the markets? Find out in this video. The current state of Bitcoin is unprecedented, taking the crypto market on a roller coaster ride over the past 14 days. Two extraordinary Black Swan events have massively influenced the markets, causing quite a stir in the Bitcoin community. First, a negative event. As explained in last week's video, the German government decided to offload Bitcoins worth $2 billion through the Federal Criminal Police Office, BKA, and the state of Saxony. This massive amount of Bitcoin created significant selling pressure, plunging Bitcoin's price and breaking its 130-day range dramatically. As market participants were still digesting this massive sell-off, another fateful event rocked the market. Former US President Donald Trump narrowly survived an assassination attempt. During a campaign rally, he was shot at 3 times, but miraculously, the bullets missed as Trump turned to read something on a monitor at the critical moment. This incident turned him into a legend in the eyes of many Americans, significantly boosting his chances for a comeback. The prospect of Trump's return, known for his support of cryptocurrencies and loose monetary policy, sent Bitcoin's price soaring again. Bitcoin's market movements have been spectacular. After initially breaking down from its 130-day range, it quickly rebounded to $63,500. This dramatic price surge brought both excitement and uncertainty. The 50,000 bitcoins sold by the German government could just be the beginning of selling pressure. In the coming weeks, Mt. Gox coins worth $9 billion will be returned to creditors, potentially further straining the market. The way the German government handled their Bitcoin sale raises many questions. The decision to sell the Bitcoins under paragraph 111p of the Code of Criminal Procedure was meant to avoid a significant loss in value. But why was this sale conducted so hastily and seemingly uncoordinated? From June 19th to July 12th, an enormous selling pressure was created in collaboration with the Frankfurt-based Bankhaus Wertpapierspezialist AG. It begs the question if internal agreements and commissions influenced this decision. The sale was executed at an average price of $57,800 per Bitcoin, raising questions about the transparency and efficiency of the selling strategy. In addition to these internal market factors, external influences also play a significant role. A possible rate cut by the Fed in September could further stimulate the markets. At the same time, Nvidia has already experienced a 20% correction, indicating general market uncertainty. I follow a clear market strategy based on careful analysis. I plan to buy more at certain price levels like $62,800 and $57,500 to capitalize on market movements. These price areas are considered important support zones, crucial for future market activity. The market shows signs of stable demand in these areas, indicating strong interest from institutional investors absorbing recent selling pressure. If we break through these levels, Bitcoin will be back to the big bull run buy zone based on Elliott wave theory, which is between $58,600 and $41,900. So if you didn't enter the market yet, that might be your target zone or allocation zone to enter more. Another exciting aspect is the upcoming launch of Ethereum ETFs. These new financial instruments could significantly alter market dynamics and introduce additional volatility. I expect the Ethereum ETFs to hit the market in the next weeks, bringing new opportunities and risks. The fee structure of these ETFs will be closely watched, especially compared to traditional financial products, potentially influencing their attractiveness. The return of the Mt. Gox coins to creditors after over a decade presents another potential market risk. It is speculated that many recipients may immediately sell their bitcoins, adding more pressure to the market. Kraken, one of the exchanges responsible for distributing the Mt. Gox coins, has already received 47,000 bitcoins and plans to pay them out to creditors within the next 7 to 14 days. It remains to be seen whether this selling pressure will be gradual and orderly or lead to a sudden price drop. The demand for bitcoins, particularly from institutional investors and ETFs, has recently been stable. Over the last 10 days, $1.8 billion has been invested in United States ETFs, showing strong interest in Bitcoin despite the selling pressure from the German and Mt. Gox coins. This demand could help mitigate the impact of future sales and stabilize the market. Overall, I remain optimistic despite recent turbulence. I see the current developments as an opportunity, especially with positive signals like increasing stablecoin liquidity and the hope for bullish market movements with Trump's potential presidency. I emphasize the importance of careful analysis and well-thought-out trading strategies to succeed in this volatile market environment. The recent events have once again highlighted how strongly external influences and political developments can affect the market. For experienced investors, however, these events also offer numerous opportunities to profit from market movements and trade strategically. It will be exciting to see how the situation evolves and what new surprises the market holds. The combination of political events, regulatory developments, and institutional interest could significantly shape the Bitcoin market in the coming months, opening up new opportunities for investors. Finally, I want to stress the importance of continuously monitoring the market and being flexible in responding to new developments. The combination of careful analysis and strategic action can help minimize risks and maximize opportunities in this dynamic and often unpredictable market. The coming weeks and months promise to remain exciting as new political and economic developments impact the Bitcoin market. That's it, friends. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and comment so we can continuously improve. See you next Sunday.